Fun is stupid. Extermination is fun.
Extermination is stupid, yes.
You will obey. You will obey.
Dalek, can you say DSTBA?
Repeat the question.
Can you say DSTBA?
Why would Dalek say DFTBA?
Because they're awesome.
Your primitive engaging devices do not harm Daleks. You will be exterminated when I have time. Take a number, stand in line.
Well, I won't be here, so you won't have to worry about it.
I have always time for a good extermination. Exterminate! That's a good extermination. No bad extermination. You will stand aside for your Dalek masters. Stand aside or be exterminated. Repeat the question. Obey. Stand aside. Your primitive imaging devices are harmless.
Ever tried using candy before?
Stand aside for your Dalek masters. Obey. Have fun at the convention. Have fun or die.
I'm not gonna.
You are not the master of the Daleks. No one is the master of the Daleks.
I am the master of all matter.
You do not matter.
I do matter, and I mean
Daleks
matter.
recognize Gallifreyans. Daleks have killed all Gallifreyans.
So what am I doing here?
We didn't do too well in the process, admittedly, but we killed all Gallifreyans.
I see quite a few doctors, too.
Hiding in fob watches was no way to behave.
What are you doing? What are you
Stand
doing?
aside.
Step?
Stand aside or be exterminated.
Oh, yeah? Hey, I got
My
regeneration.
exterminator did not function.
No, it did not.
You will face the Sid Plunger of death.
It happens to a lot of guys, sorry.
I will plunge your sinks. I will remove your sewage system.
Maximum declogging.
That's
You will die.
Eventually, but not today.
It's so like that. You will die.
By the way, I have a steak that needs some pepper on it.
That way, okay. Not around the middle. Okay, we're around the middle, so I'm not.